Hey everyone, what's going on? Jason here. Today I want to go over some updates on AMC and what I think is going to happen this week. Had a lot of people in the live stream today ask me about a movement that's supposed to happen tomorrow for AMC. We're going to break that down and what I think needs to happen for us to get this AMC ball rolling and hopefully going north instead of sideways. Today's video is sponsored by the like button again. That's right, you heard it. The like button is a sponsor today, so make sure you guys smack that like button. It would definitely help out a lot. And again, it could let somebody else see this video or the channel that hasn't ever seen it before. If you aren't a sub, I'd appreciate you hitting the sub button. That's all I ask. Also, there's a link in the description for the Discord. If you guys want to be a part of our community in the Discord, there is a Discord link below in the description as well. All right, first off, I want to start off with a quick overview of what's happened this last, what has it been? It's almost a month now. But I guess the lead up to this started about, about 3 weeks ago. I want to start out by showing you guys this as well. We started this journey way back here. When was it? Around the 22nd. I actually bought into this movement per se a little early than most people did. At it was around $4.70 when I bought in. I can bring it up. But again, it's around $4.70. This movement obviously started around $2.70. This stock was heavily shorted at the time, and a lot of people started bringing this up on Reddit on a place called wallstreetbets. And I seen it there first, and I was like, well, if I buy in at $4, whatever. At the end of the day, I thought this could be, probably like a $10 or $15 after the pandemic, because people are going to pull their money out of more tech stocks and stuff like that and put them into the recovery stocks as the recovery happened. So I figured, hey, what the heck? I threw some money in. If nothing happens, if it doesn't go up a lot, hey, we come back on the good side at $4. I figured we could probably maybe triple our money, if not at least double it after the pandemic. So we kind of chuggled along for a few days here, just chuggling, and then on the January 26th. This is when it started happening. 3 hours, we started rocketing up, and I was thinking, well, this is crazy because I didn't know if this was really going to happen or not. Then we had the 10th, when they had the 27th that came. It just kept shooting up. For you guys that were around, you guys remember the 27th through the 28th. That's when it was at its all-time, pretty much peak. It got to $25 that day, and I was thinking, well, sky's the limits. Well, skies weren't really the limits. Long story short, a lot of these companies started making it where you couldn't buy AMC or GME and others like it. Costs, there's a lot. Obviously, they got shut down, and this made this price, go overnight pretty much from the $20 to $25 range, and then it plummeted, and it plummeted hard all the way down. Where was it at anyway? I know it went all the way down to close to $4.21 at one point. It shows the low right here, $4.21. I don't know if that was really it. I think there's a long candlestick there. It shows $4.21, but I think it shot down like $8. It was. I was feeling pretty much sick to my stomach at that point because we went so high, and to see the disheartening of these companies not letting you buy the stock anymore, such as Robinhood and even Cash App, which is Robinhood and Cash App are two of the two biggest ones that people use, to buy and sell on. Webull had it shut down for a couple of hours, I think, maybe. I don't know. It didn't seem that long because I was buying and selling a lot anyway on there. Obviously, having the two or three top ones getting shut down, especially Robinhood and Cash App, really hurt volume numbers. And I'll show you guys volume numbers in a minute. What I think we need to get volume numbers back to see this exponential growth that we aren't seeing right now. One reason why we're seeing this, waddle back and forth, other than obviously these ladder attacks that definitely happen. You can tell these ladder attacks happen. We got to $16 again. I remember at $16, I was like, well, maybe we're doing pretty good. But then it was just a long down build from there. We got to $16, and these ladder attacks took us all the way down to about $7. And I remember being like, dang, this stinks. Really stinks. I think it's down to $6 actually. It was a lot. It took us down a lot. And then we just huddled around this $8 mark, and then we get down to $7, and then down from 7 to 6. You see these weird candlesticks at $17. Not weird at all. You know, they're definitely not weird. But we kept chugging along here, right? Chugging, $5, $6. We're in between $5 and $6 now for the past week, pretty much. We got up to we got up to like 659. 659 was the highest point. We've been down to 526 this week. Was the lowest point this week. Well, this past week anyway. Now, I kept getting asked today. Tomorrow, there's this movement that's getting brought up right now. There's this movement getting brought up right now that it's all over wallstreetbets, which is good. Like I said, us seeing more movements is a good thing for the stock, right? I'll pull these up real quick. There's a thing circulating right now. It's called AMC Twitter Tuesday 2 million. So Tuesday morning, we fight for the finale. It's over. We have them defeated. We just need volume, which is true. We do need volume. If we had volume, this thing would skyrocket. I do think we need more than 2 million volume, though. But I mean, 2 million is a start, right? 2 million of us are going to throw the final blow. Tuesday's 2 million be part of history. Retweet this. There's a lot of it. There's a lot of it out there, which is good. We need more hype. If you guys want to see AMC go up, maybe go out here and start, retweeting these things. I would love to see AMC go up, obviously. I mean, this guy here, he's got a lot of it. He purchased a lot, 542 shares. A lot of people are this is going around. So hopefully tomorrow we see some really good volume numbers. That's all we need with AMC right now. Here, I'll pull this up real quick and show you guys what I mean. And more, I think we need volume. Okay, volume numbers on January 25th. At January 25th, were 443 million. Okay, 443 million, mind you. If you go back here on our chart right now, we're around like 42 million. So you can see how far away these numbers and how far away they are now. And you can tell the day is loading up and like a regular day, 49 million, 45 million. That's where we're at right now. See down here? You got 55 million. You got 46 million. We need these numbers brought up. At its height at $25, it says 1990. That's where it ended on that day, obviously. On January 27th. On its height, on January 27th, we had 1.25 billion with a B, not an M. 1.25 billion. Now, this right here should show you how much volume we need to get this stock moving. If we could, I mean, right now, like I said, we're low numbers, 46 million, which is way too low of a volume number to get this thing to budge, especially if we're getting ladder attacked. 152 million on the 9th, it's better. It's better, but we need at least 462 million again. 400 million. If I see numbers like that, even if I see 200 million again, I would be more enthused. Again, 152 million. I was like, well, maybe we're going up because we went from 100 million to 152. I was like, well, good, man. This is great. We're moving. We're moving. This is really good. But again, we need to get these numbers to skyrocket. Again, we was in the billions. Okay. Obviously, our momentum got killed by Robinhood and others. Stopping from buying it, whether it's Robinhood or Cash App, which is actually two main ones that most people use, retail investors. If we can get up to 500 million again, that'd be amazing, right? And obviously 1.2 billion to shoot us to the roof. And I think this right here could have continue. It could have grown from this. But again, us getting shut down by, whoever it is out there that doesn't like us kind of sucks. Who doesn't like us? It's called the hedge funds. I wouldn't put it out that they paid money. Again, there's a lot of stuff out there, floating around. But we need volume. That's the end of the thing. I know a lot of people hate hearing that. I'm not trying to be negative either. I don't want to be negative. I want to be positive. I have stocks in this. Do I think we'll get our money back if volume doesn't pick up, hype doesn't pick back up? Will we get our money back? I feel like maybe if you're under $15, you're probably gonna get your money back, right? Anything over $15, I don't know what's going to happen with AMC. If the recovery happens really well, AMC starts to fix themselves in terms of a better operation, and it turns around, we can go up even higher than that. But the recovery, like I said, people are going to take their money out of some of these tech stocks that are over, they're ballooned up. Obviously, they're tech stocks. People took money from stocks that were going to fall, so say like Carnival or Dave and Buster's AMC theaters type things, or American Airlines. They put a bunch of stuff into tech stocks, and online, online shops, such as Etsy and other places like that. People have put a lot of money into those things that weren't bloomed up before. Now, what's going to happen is those stocks are going to get kind of like a little pop to them once the recovery stocks start to bang again, because people are going to pull money out of tech stocks and other stocks that did good in the pandemic. When things start getting a little better, people are going to put money into their AMC and other stocks like that. So these stocks are going to balloon a little bit over from where they are right now, obviously. Now, again, like I said, we just need volume. There's nothing holding the AMC back other than volume. We just need volume. We need hype again. The hype's at an all-time low right now. I'm definitely positive. I want to be positive outlook because, no matter, I feel like most people get their money back. Most people probably bought in under $15, and I feel like most people get their money back no matter what. Or you could average down if you wanted to and wait it out if it doesn't bang up. 2 million's a start, but again, if you look at these numbers, 1.2 billion is where we were at. So 2 million is a start, and if that adds, we go from 46 million to 48 million, it helps a little bit. It's a good thing. It might get us up to $6.50, $7. We just need some hype. We just need some consistency, some steady movement up. We'll get more hype, get more people into it. It's the same thing that happened with Dogecoin, obviously. Doge is way down, lots of hype, lots of volume, that equals, higher coin. Same thing with these stocks. These hype stocks, they live off of hype, live off of volume. And that's what we need. That's really what I wanted to show you guys today, was how much we really do need to get up to where we were. Like I said, $25 that day, we was at 1.2 billion. Right now, we've been settling under, 55 to 45 million when we need the billion with the B. I hope you guys like this explanation. I hope you guys, I do plan on probably buying a little bit more AMC tomorrow just to join in on the train of trying to get this going again. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys quick thumbs up on it. Think about sharing it as well. Hit that sub button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.